Hi all, Neci Love Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today we will be adding the bobbin thread of the bobbin of the Singer Simple 3337 series sewing machine. So ensure that you have thread on your bobbin as well as you have thread at the top part of your sewing machine so that you can get an accurate stitch. So let's get started. I'm going to focus in on this needle plate area and let's go. So now you're going to take your bobbin and ensure that the thread is coming off of the left, like this, coming off the top left and not the right. Okay, we want to come off the left. Okay, and then we're going to take it and put it into the bobbin cover or the bobbin case. Put one finger on the bobbin to hold it in place, and then you're going to take this thread, put it through this guide here, this little pathway. It'll click, click, and then just continue on the pathway until you cut it with the bobbin cutter. All right, that is all you have to do. It is so simple with this machine. That's why it's called the Singer Simple. Okay. If you didn't see this already, they have it printed here as a guide to help you. So the thread comes off of the left, goes through the pathway, and then you cut it with the bobbin cutter. All right, I'm going to put this back on. Click it in place as such. And there we go. We are ready to sew. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Give us video ideas. Hit that super thanks. Check us out on our socials, as well as we have online courses that are here, as well as digital patterns and other merchandise. So thank you for watching this tutorial and happy sewing.